All right, I have been brainstorming. So what I've got here, it's a piece of wood. I have no idea what this is. I think this is ash. I split it in two. What I want to do now is I'm gonna take my discs. I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this over my circular saw. I wish I had a cross-cut sled for this. It'd be perfect. Which actually, they're telling me we've got one. I just don't have it with me. But I'll just take it. My goal is to take out roughly. Let's say I'm going to take out this much of the center, right? I am going to leave a top and I'm going to leave a bottom on this. Okay, and then I'm going to hollow out the middle here, which I actually should probably take this over and that is cut all the way through there, and just finish that off. Okay, consider that done. And this one needs some more convincing, but anyway, I'll knock that off here with a bandsaw. But anyway, you have an idea of what is happening here. And I'm trying to decide birdhouse or bird feeder. If I make a bird feeder, what I'd like to do is make a cut in here and then a diagonal cut in here. So I'll just leave a mouth open there for bird food. So let's see if we can get that done. I couldn't think of a faster way to remove more material. Should be able to take a chisel and just pop all of that loose. Let's take a look. Let's get the time lapse rolling again. So here's my most recent idea. I'm just gonna take this, I'm gonna hollow this out. Got the other half right now getting glued, but what it's gonna look like, it's gonna look like this. And this will be your central area where you store seed. Then I'm gonna cut an opening right here, and what I think I'll do is I'll drill. I've got these bigger drill bits. So I was thinking I would take this drill bit, okay, and then I'll drill into it like this to create a little bowl here, and I'll probably cut in at a diagonal, like a square here, like flat, diagonal, drill in like this, and that'll give me access down into the seed, but the seed won't well over the top of it. Thinking more like millet in something like this. Then I haven't quite figured out what I want to do for a roof. Been trying to decide on whether or not to do like a roof like this all the way across it. Could just do something nice and flat on top. I think that looks a little silly. Or you could do a pitched roof. You know, kind of this roof essentially and put it on top. And it wouldn't be quite as large, but imagine it much less large than that. But trying to decide how I want to do it because I want it to be inaccessible to squirrels. Don't want squirrels to be able to get in and out of it. By the way, finding all kinds of uses for these quick clamps, which are awesome. I don't know, what do you think? I'll keep working with it. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend filling this thing up this way, but we're testing it out to see if it'll actually hold bird feed.
But Phil.
Looks like it's working one handful at a time. Can you say happy birthday, Brooklyn? Jackson? Can you say happy birthday, Brooklyn? Oh, it might be too much. Jackson. Hey. Hey. Can you say happy birthday, Brooklyn?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Well, that's as close as you're going to get.